everyone, welcome to another VRBO tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to invite someone to book on your VRBO. So yes, you can actually add someone to your calendar on VRBO, and that way you can basically book them, or that person can book your VRBO stay. So as you can see, first of all, what you want to do is you want to log in into your account, and you want to select the listing if you have obviously more than one rental property. Now basically you will go into the listing and you will select calendar, and from there you can select the reservation dates. That's how easy it is, right? And from there you can just select bookings and blocks in the manage dates panel, and then select add booking. There you will need to enter all reservation details. This is, if you are doing it manually, right? If someone comes to your Airbnb or VRBO in this case, and if he or she wants to book VRBO rental place with you manually, then you will need to enter all their reservation details on your VRBO like this, right? Now once you do that, you will need to save manual booking, and that will be pretty much it. You will successfully invite someone to book on VRBO, and they will be able to accept it, or they will just be able to be they'll be added to the VRBO database, your database. So that's basically it, right? It's very easy, it's very simple. Obviously, if you want to see more videos on VRBO, we are uploading 5 different videos every single day, so definitely check out those videos if you want, and we'll see you in the next video.